Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to create simple interest solver using Scala or scalable programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, subscribers, and visitor to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this type of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. One of the newest programming language that is being introduced in our community is Scala or scalable programming language. Some of the commands of Scala is very similar to C and Java. Actually, according to the book that I have read, almost 75% of the commands in Java is compatible or the same with or without minor modification of your code. Now, one of the strengths of Scala programming language is that it is not only object-oriented by format but also functional. So some of the new trends in computer programming is functional programming. So here we have some comments: simple underscore interest.java and .scala, written by yours truly, Professor Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada, IT, MIT. And then I have two websites that you can visit, and then you can download free source code. The first one is jakerpomperada.com, and then the other one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com. Currently guys, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, software development, IT consultancy, web development, mobile, computer tutorials. So you can reach me to inquiry of my services at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Quality service at a very reasonable cost. So I wrote this program last year, November 12, 2021 to 22 p.m. Friday. And then my location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, here in Asia, Philippines. So line number 11, import Java util scanner. We will be using this library file for input output, object, simple underscore interest, div, main, args, array, string, unit, var, input, new scanner. We have here the title of our program, simple interest using Scala. Var principal input next double. We are asking for the principal amount that is being loaned or borrowed by our customer, and then the rate, and then the number of years that the loan will be paid. So in solving the interest, we have here the formula: var interest equals principal amount or principal multiplied by time and rate divided by 100. So here we display the principal amount, and then %5 to decimal places, interest, time duration, and then the simple interest here, a new line here, and a program in end, and then we close our object here. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Let us select terminal here, new terminal. Okay, so to run our program, we simply type Scala space simple underscore interest dot Scala, and then press the enter key from the keyboard. Okay, so our program is currently running. Simple interest using Scala, interest principal amount, let's say 45,000. Rate will be 10%. How many years? Let's say 5 years. So the principal amount is 45,000 pesos. The interest rate is 10%. Time duration is 5 years. The simple interest will be 22,500. Another example. Okay, enter principal amount, let's say 1,000. Rate, we have 5%. Enter time or number of years, we have 1 year. So the principal amount is 1,000 pesos. The interest rate is 5%. Time duration is 1 year. The simple interest is 50 pesos and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write a simple interest using Scala programming language or scalable programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I will put a link in the video description of this tutorial video where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.